We've had this burning in here a little bit and I am ready for Santa to come.
It genuinely smells so good. Hi FabFitFun friends. You're watching a close-up on customization 2 in the FabFitFun winter box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of the community, welcome back. I'm Katie. I'm the co-founder and editor-in-chief at FabFitFun, and today I'm joined by Teagan, our senior beauty buyer. Hi,
Happy
Teagan.
to be here.
Yay. Okay, so we are deep diving on all of the products you can choose from in this customization. If you're not a member yet, no worries. We'll have a special code for you at the end of the show. So let's get into it. Okay, first up, we have this beautiful set of 3 ceramic bowls from Ririku. They're crafted from really durable stoneware with that beautiful reflective glaze. Each bowl is truly one of a kind and features these really lovely layered tones. We know how much you guys love a set of bowls, and these ones are just really unique, really pretty, and excited to bring them to you this winter.
Yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous. I can already picture these on my holiday tablescape. I especially love the subtle wavy edge. I think that adds a little extra oomph, right? And they're not just adorable, but they're also functional. They are dishwasher and microwave safe, so they're very practical.
Yes, 100%. So you can use them if you're doing little grazing stations, but also great for pastas, cereals, just, all the stuff that we do every day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Love it.
Love. All right, so next we have the Jules Kae Mia bag. This is a structured crossbody. It's crafted from vegan leather, and it features a chic lizard embossed finish and black trim. Has an adjustable buckle strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody, as a shoulder bag, or even as a clutch.
It also has the secured turn lock flap, so it keeps everything safe inside. And Jules Kae is just a great high-end, beautiful fashion brand, and we are here for her.
Yeah, absolutely perfect to grab and go during the holiday season and look really put together. I love.
Next up, we have something what I think is really unique. So this is an eyelid lift serum from Perricone MD. So yes, not your traditional under eye cream. This Featherlight Serum is actually designed for the delicate upper lid to help smooth creases, lift sagging skin, and brighten tired eyes where you need it most.
Yes. So like you said, this gives tired eyes a smoother, firmer, more youthful appearance. I just put it on the back of my hand and you can see how juicy and supple the skin looks.
Yeah, I love being able to unlock products that you may not have tried before. And like you said, because it's from Perricone MD, you know it's going to work. It's fragrance-free, it's powered by antioxidants and vitamin F blends of flax, chia, and macadamia oil. I love her. I've been using her all the time.
Next, we have the polished jar, the Laurel marble tray. I wish everyone could feel this right now. It is so sturdy and heavy. The quality is immaculate. It's made of white marble, instantly elevates your space, keeps everyday essential organized.
I've actually been using it in our guest bathroom. So I put our disposable hand towels there, which is just keeps it really organized. You may have noticed there's actually quite a bit of marble in the winter box. Marble is a huge trend in 2025 and just a really easy way to upgrade your home. We love.
Yeah. Elevated and timeless.
Yes. All right, Teagan, you told me not to pick favorites, but I don't know. I think this pajama set from Honeydew happens to be one of mine. It's stretchy, it feels buttery. I love it. I love the classic green striped design. It's just perfect for all of your cozy winter mornings.
Yeah, our members have been so excited for us to bring a PJ set. We see you in the community every day speculating when is there gonna be a PJ set in the box?
Well, it's been something that we wanted to put in the box for a long time, so really excited that we could actually bring it to life this winter.
Yeah, the print is just adorable. I love the color. It is so buttery soft, like you said. And I know our members always have a lot of questions on sizing. Just so you guys know, we had 8 buyers in the office, all different shapes and sizes, try these PJs on, and we made little tweaks to the fit to make sure that everyone was happy. I know personally the 2X, 3X is just a dream on me. I'm very excited to cuddle up in them.
For sure. Yeah. I'm wearing the small right now, but it's funny. I feel like all of the girls want to come into the office now in pajamas all the time, which I'm not sure sets the right tone, but it certainly is comfy.
Yes. Next, this one is very near and dear to my heart because I am on a hair growth journey.
Same, girl, same.
I think we all are.
Yes.
So we're very excited to bring the Lemme Grow Capsules. This is formulated with clinically studied ingredients designed to help grow thicker, fuller hair in as little as 12 weeks. and it's gentle enough for sensitive skin.
And you've been taking it every day, right?
Yes, I have been taking this every day for 5 weeks, and I have seen noticeable growth, which I'm very excited about, finding something that actually works.
Amazing. And obviously Lemme is another FabFitFun favorite brand. It's enhanced with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, B6, niacin, zinc, copper, and so much more to truly support overall hair health and growth.
Yes, we've got all these great ingredients and only 2 pills a day, so very doable.
Okay, next up, I am very excited about this because if you've seen any of these before, you know that I love an exfoliating pad, and these pads from Skinfix are some of my favorites. So this is the AHA BHA niacinamide exfoliating pads. They're dermatologist approved. These pads really resurface the skin without any kind of harshness. And what's great is they're actually good for your face or body. They're huge, as you can see, so really work very well.
Yeah, I love the size of these. I feel like I can just do a few swipes and get everything. And these are powered by glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid. So we've got triple force to unclog pores, smooth texture, and brighten skin, and infused with niacinamide to calm and refine. And 2 extra reasons to love this product: it's alcohol-free.
Not drying, which is fantastic.
Exactly, and biodegradable.
Also love.
We love that. And safe for all skin types, fragrance-free. This is really your universal peel pad.
Oh, and I will say, because you don't just use them on your face, they're also great for things like ingrown hairs, little bumps if you get any of those guys, and great for reducing any kind of discoloration.
100%.
Love.
So next we have Voluspa.
Yes.
Noble Fur Classic Candle. This is everyone's favorite candle brand.
Of course.
Let's be honest. And they are back in the box with a perfect holiday scent. Cozy blend of noble fir, cedarwood, rosemary, cardamom, and warm amber. We've had this burning in here a little bit, and I am ready for Santa to come.
It genuinely smells so good. It is a 6.5 ounce candle. It is hand poured right here in the US. It features Voluspa's signature coconut wax, which is really clean and gives you up to 40 hours of burn time, which is amazing. It comes in this really beautiful green embossed glass jar, and it's really just a perfect holiday keepsake. Obsessed with this.
Yeah, love.
Thank you so much for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Winter Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time. Bye, friends.